Hi, welcome back. I have pre-mixed some resin and I am carefully pouring it into these crystal drawer handle molds that I received from OneDaySaving.com. I will list all products I am using in the description box below. When the molds are about 3/4 of the way full, I will start dropping alcohol ink directly into the resin in the molds. Then, using the end of my paintbrush, I will mix the ink into the resin. The colors I am using are Sun Bright Yellow, Black, Orange, and Passion Purple alcohol inks. When all of my colors have been mixed, I will go ahead and top off the molds with clear resin, and then I will cover and let cure for 24 hours. Now it is time to demold the resin crystals. These crystals are snug in the molds and it is a little tight to get them out. But with a little work, they pop out. If you're finding you're having a difficult time getting them out, add a little bit of soapy water between the resin and the mold, and then they will just slide right out. Now it is time to add the base to the crystals. The base will turn onto the screw that will allow you to mount the handle to your cabinet drawer. I will use my E6000 glue to adhere the base to the crystal and let these sit for 24 hours. I love how these turned out. I think the brighter colors look the best, but I do like how elegant the darker colors turned out. Okay, so I am in my bathroom and I have the cabinet under the sink. It was missing one knob, so I went ahead and I replaced 2 knobs so far. But I just want to show you, I'm not sure I'm going to keep this color. Oh, sorry, there's my little guy. I'm not sure I'm going to keep these colors, but I just wanted to see how easy it was to put these on. So I used my screwdriver, open the drawer. I just put the nail in and put it in. This is just a little test run, just to show you. These are way awesome. So I'm excited to actually make these in a color that I want in this room, probably blue because it's the bathroom. So I hope this video has helped you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and doing this project with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.